Hi there, my name is Melisa DiPietro. I'm a Canadian HR leader, organizational development specialist, and founder of flockandfur.com, a modern people consultancy and coaching practice for small to medium-sized businesses. My Capstone project is a responsible AI intake tool and decision framework in HTML, built for HR people leadership stakeholders involved in people-related decisions. For the project demonstration here, I built a self-contained interactive tool that would walk someone through 8 questions before they deploy a process. So it's in plain language. Right up front, there's how this tool scores risk, outlining the factor, the points, and the rationale. So I will click through. You select your use case. You answer questions about your data, about potentially the vendor, how much authority the AI has in the decision-making process. The last question covers accessibility. So has the AI tool been evaluated for use by people with disabilities? And is there an accommodation process if someone cannot complete an AI-mediated step? The duty to accommodate in Canada does not disappear because a vendor's algorithm is making a call. At the end here, we have a readiness report. And so the output is risk tier, severity coded flags, plain language readiness statement. There's a summary table, including cited references as well, grounded in Canadian law. And the file runs in any browser, no login, no server, nothing stored. There can be copy and paste items as well for executive briefings or slide decks. I focused on 5 dimensions here: bias, privacy, agency, transparency, and decision power. All 5 have a direct line to employment outcomes. In Ontario, as of January 1st, the Ontario Human Rights Commission published guidance specifically on AI in employment for employers over 25 people. Bill C-27, we know, is proposed but not in force quite yet. For the design choices, there's 3 choices here worth flagging. So the scoring logic is made visible. There's a summary table that includes a row for what an affected person can access or contest to. Most governance tools are really upfront written from the employer perspective only, and this one makes space for the employee. Third, the lower risk results carry the qualifier. So everything is based on your self-reported answers. A clean score reflects what you've entered, not what's been verified or gone through an additional process. In reflection here, one thing that worked really well was running a structured audit against the tool itself that really caught some initial gaps and rework for me to do. One thing I would change is make an addition to or considerations for Quebec employers. So making this document bilingual, a French version, and friendly for a Francophone workforce. Thank you so much for watching.